Today we are going to discuss 3 of the best kidney detox drinks and explore the benefits as well as fun facts about these 3 popular choices. So, make sure you're settled in because this is going to be an enlightening journey. 1. Pure cranberry juice. Research has shown that cranberry juice isn't just a tasty drink, it's also a potent ally for your kidneys. Studies have demonstrated its ability to reduce the recurrence of urinary tract infections. Furthermore, cranberries are packed with antioxidants, which can significantly support overall kidney health. But did you know that cranberries contain special compounds known as proanthocyanidins? These little powerhouses prevent harmful bacteria from sticking to your urinary tract walls. Long before cranberry juice became a health trend, Native Americans recognized its medicinal properties and used it as a remedy for various ailments. 2. Lemon water. Lemon water is not just a refreshing beverage, it's a health booster too. The high vitamin C content in lemons plays a pivotal role in supporting the immune system and maintaining kidney function. Research has highlighted the importance of vitamin C in kidney health. Beyond the health benefits, lemon water has a unique quality. It can help alkalize your body, creating an environment less favorable for the formation of kidney stones. And let's not forget that zesty, tangy flavor that makes staying hydrated a delight. 3. Coffee. Yes, coffee lovers, rejoice. Your favorite brew may do more than just wake you up. Studies have suggested that moderate coffee consumption could be your kidney's best friend. It has been associated with a reduced risk of kidney stone development and a lower likelihood of chronic kidney disease. Coffee isn't just a beverage, it's a cultural phenomenon. It has a rich history and is enjoyed by people all around the world. The caffeine in coffee acts as a mild diuretic, promoting urine production, which can aid in kidney detoxification. In a nutshell, these kidney detox drinks offer a perfect blend of health benefits and intriguing fun facts. Remember, the key to reaping these benefits is moderation. As always, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional if you have specific kidney concerns. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this valuable information with your friends and family. Thank you so much for joining us today. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, and we'll catch you in the next video.